Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment ST switch with smart portable automatic transfer technology stands out as a reliable solution for anyone looking to seamlessly transition power sources during outages. This innovative device is designed to enhance the convenience and safety of using a portable generator to power essential home circuits. One of the most impressive features of the ST switch is its smart technology, which allows for automatic detection of power interruptions. This means that when the grid goes down, the ST switch can sense the outage and immediately switch to generator power, ensuring that your home remains powered without any manual intervention. This automatic transfer capability is crucial for those who may not be at home during an outage, providing peace of mind that critical systems will remain operational. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included user-friendly manual. Even those with minimal electrical experience can follow the step-by-step instructions to get the ST switch up and running. The durable construction of the device is evident from the first touch, built to withstand outdoor conditions and ensure longevity. Additionally, its compact design allows for easy placement near a generator or transfer panel. One of the standout features of this switch is its safety mechanisms. It includes a dual interlock system that prevents backfeeding into the grid, which is vital for the safety of utility workers during power restoration efforts. This attention to safety details is commendable and adds to the overall value of the product. In terms of performance, the Westinghouse ST switch operates flawlessly, transitioning between power sources smoothly and efficiently. Users report minimal downtime during switchovers, making it an invaluable tool during storm seasons or unexpected outages. Overall, the Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment ST switch with smart portable automatic transfer technology is a must-have for those serious about home power management. Its blend of innovation, safety features, and ease of use makes it a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their energy resilience.